Hi, my name is Maya Alon, and I'm 19 years old from Tel Aviv, Israel. Ever since I was little, I loved making things with my hands. It was always exciting for me to know I had a way to influence someone through creation. When I was 14, I discovered the world of cooking. My mother and grandmother always cooked, and I learned from them how to cook and bake. I began cooking at home, for our neighbors and family. I think the moment I realized how much I love cooking was in high school, when I made food for my friends and they really loved it. Suddenly, I understood that similar to art, I have the ability to influence and encourage people with the food I make. After that moment, I wanted to pursue a career in cooking. At first, I worked as a waitress at a few small businesses, and then, at the age of 17, I got my first job as a cook. When I was a senior in high school, I moved on to a larger restaurant where I specialized in Italian cuisine. From that moment on, cooking became an inseparable part of who I am. Every time I cook, I feel myself blossom. The challenge with creating a dish from scratch excites me every single time. The thing I love most is that food is universal. Everyone loves food, so I always have a way to make people happy with the help of a few simple ingredients and a bit of creativity. My name is Maya Alon. I'm a professional cook from Tel Aviv, and I serve in the Israel Defense Forces.